Kwani Yankoyadim and the 8th of February 2026, the year of our Lord. Kumasa Santa Kotoko and Aduana and a am so Barbara Sports Stadium 3 o'clock na 20-man squad na mensaka ewa ha mede Asia na Kotoko probable lineup Kotoko di this particular game also ye rema ensaka mede Asia ewo Super 24 TV so information will be ase in your top na I will say yeah the bremo on this particular channel. Me pacho over subscribe and hit the red subscribe button so now you'll be able to get information there. The brain the way we are see. Now join the Kotoko reaction on 0247 107260 0247 107260 na fe yendi kasubum no together. Yes. You go so diabo for ameboa yama Super 24 TV ye dwumadi a yedi ni ha no e de bebra mo da ne da nyina nti uwo dwade hu nneoma bia opese oboho dawura. You can reach out to me personally 0247 107260 0247 107260 afei so yes o sapemi a me no be di capsule no uni dwumadi bia opese oboho dawura kana opese support ya reach out. You be well highly appreciated about this particular one. So get in touch near now Kotoko versus Aduana a match a dark Kumasa Sante Kotoko Nibia Kumaso because a petting you show our frame round of 16 aka 16 teams and now I remember wrap up of the course no round of 16 games no yeah about 8 games and now 3 games about so and then the 5 games about so and now team my friend Nations FC a share Swedro Oblast 2-1 and Mediama a share Samates 4-2 and a Premier League club or no ye names no Premier League club over Shako and no or goofy one mark second division for no Ashana lower type for national a term divisa I think division 1 Ashano a term divisa a share 30-man 11 wonders. Yes, it's 30-man 11 wonders a free. Into more progress, I attract the visa, Mediama and Nations FC are into the last 8 of the MTN FA Cup. The Bompire said Nations FC ever Koswa Kunini. The Bompire said Santa Kotoko qualifier or Monko Pair Kotoko Nations FC. So Monko compare Kotoko Nations FC. Asante Region Timbako be free. Dear Drew no also any kwanso omo pen in the original format view. Also omo pen no while be she will be dear Drew no sa Kotoko timi eshi eyi eyi Aduana Frima. My wish is that Kotoko share Mediama at the quarter-final stage right now. Yes. Any kwanse kwatita na ekushi omo last so we share omo anim ya quarter-final last 8 na petty. Yeni nation the any kwanse ehia yin na fra Santa region na Santa region teams no enkono dem so eno dey update kakra ewo ho a me dey ehia ewo Super 24 TV no so mesaka 20-man squad no mame fama na mame ma news kakra ene na mu about Aduana for no who no internet no so Aduana for I promise you players no 7,000 Ghana cedis umu win game obi abenya 7,000 Ghana cedis na umu lose omu win a omu technical team no so obi abenya 14,000 which is 140 million master enya no bia ni Aduana for no omu says kana nka omu outstanding your man and sinke bank omu clear ni nyina ni MTN FA Cup no je say and now wabe sanche with 7,000 4 times in the part 20. We are technical team no we 5 so for 140 million times 5. In this case it was 7 year can take up no dia send ye dem even though say or more person mo je no mo kobo Africa but hey sa outrageous figures na and na mabontino enya no kra say or mo she Kotoko a ye be mo 7,000 70 million each to the player na technical team enya 140 million each. Simbi wo ho a ye de eba ye meso so ye be kan the street say nya no correct because internet no man for afa hu twan through internet no so ye set records in the street ewa ha now straight into the Asante Kotoko 20-man squad Not too much changes with the last match day squad I had could face Heart of Lions I lose, the only few changes is that Peter Midwakwa and I said Baba Yaya and I'll be replacing him because Peter, I said this week one shut down training sir. And see in the game one Ibehu Baba Yaya returning into the match for Kumasa Santa Kotoko for a very long time. And see Mamenfa and Kamara and Aziz Aruna Dare, yes, and Emmanuel Cote as a defender, Emmanuel Cote and Joseph Amwa, and so I can with Joseph Amwa, I can and yes, Joseph Amwa, I can Hamzata, I can Hamzata, I can Henry Ansu, I can Henry Ansu, I can Zakaria Fuseni, I can Zakaria Fuseni, I can of course Samba will know, I can squad no home. Samba no eka squad no ho set kwaju eka squad no ho set kwaju eka squad no ho Prince Badu eka squad no ho Prince Badu eka squad no ho and yeah Prince Badu ka squad no ho and Joe Hubert Joe eka squad no ho Saka Dauda eka squad no ho Saka Dauda eka squad no ho and Walid Name of Seni also is part of the squad. Walid Name of Seni is also part of the squad. Idris Adams is also part of the squad. Idris Adams is also part of the squad, and of course, and I'm making Baba Yaya Masteris with Peter Midwakwa, and some information by and Albert Amwa Eka squad no ho, Kwame Puku Eka squad no ho, Dogo Yakubu Eka squad no. So these are your strikers: Kwame Puku, Dogo, Albert Amwa, and Donzo. These are the strikers, and then Obesta Timutu, and also the last time I Kotoko, and then Heart of Lions boy, and Ostate Donzu, and the Abetamwa. This time around, in names Obestate Donzu, and the Kwame Puku, and I say Abet Amwa, and the Kwame Puku, and I say Yakubu Dogo, and the Kwame Puku, and I say Yakubu Dogo, the Abetamwa. And in Krabian but the probable starting the line. I mean, the last lineup are Kotoko, Heart of Lions, ball, say no ball, Kamara, and no ball. Also, Lord Amwa, when you're injury, binti, as we were Prahaka, and no ball, Samba, or ball, Kamara in the goal post, and no ball, Joseph Amwa 2, and no ball, Samba, Unel 5, and no ball, Henry Ansu 4, and no ball, Musa Hamzaka, yes, a ball 2, and Joseph Amwa ball 3. And in Fifi, or ball Joe, or ball Prince Badu, and or ball Peter Midwakwa, no ball Saka Dauda, and or ball Morfe Donzo, and Albert Amwa, so on the Okoye, so about 2 midfielders are last game and amount for complaining. So this time around, this is what we are seeing from Kumasa Santa Kotoko probable lineup. Kamara in the goal post. And Chironen Sisa, Udo Joseph Amwa on the 3, no Musa Mzata on the 2 because Lord Amwan's been here full recovery. And Samba Una ni Henry Ansu. Na enimu a defenders no enimu no abo Prince Badu. Na I'm told they said this time around I have a double pivot. No I say na set kwaju ewo ho. Na afi when ya Saka Dauda, when ya Hubert Joe. Nafi animu hono so ebeba it could be from the 4 strikers no and will be a bit baba Abetamwa are sure to start Dunzo or Kwame Puku, yes, and in the second half likely Dogo Yakubu so ebetimi Abebubi and Baba Yaya too has been recorded. It's expected to say game will be a start and on team news